Today, we're going to explore the wonderful practice of meditating with the soothing energy of amethyst. So, grab your favorite crystal, find a quiet space, and let's dive into the blissful realm of crystal meditation. Now, before we get started, let's talk about the concept of crystal meditation. It's a powerful technique where we harness the unique energies of crystals to enhance our meditation practice. And when it comes to beginner-friendly crystals, amethyst takes the spotlight for its calming and spiritual properties. As beginners, stepping into the world of meditation can be a bit challenging. Racing thoughts, restlessness, and distractions often hinder our practice. But fear not, because amethyst is here to help. This beautiful crystal can aid in soothing the mind, calming the spirit, and promoting a sense of tranquility during meditation. Let's explore the enchanting properties of amethyst. Known for its calming energy, this crystal can help ease stress and anxiety, allowing for a deeper state of relaxation. Additionally, amethyst is believed to enhance spiritual awareness, making it easier for us to connect with our inner selves during meditation. Its gentle yet powerful energy can create a sacred space for introspection and inner peace. Now, here comes the exciting part, the key moment of our meditation journey. I'm going to guide you through a simple crystal meditation technique using amethyst. Find a comfortable position, hold your amethyst crystal in your hand, close your eyes, and take a deep breath. Allow the calming energy of the crystal to wash over you, bringing a sense of peace and tranquility. Focus on your breath and let go of any tension or worries. Stay in this peaceful state for a few minutes, allowing the crystal's energy to guide you. As we wrap up our meditation session, let's reflect on the incredible benefits of meditating with amethyst. This crystal has the power to calm the mind, uplift the spirit, and bring a profound sense of inner peace. By incorporating amethyst into your meditation practice, you can enhance your overall well-being and deepen your spiritual connection. I encourage you to try this amethyst meditation technique yourself. Share your experiences in the comments below. I'd love to hear how it has impacted your practice. And don't forget to subscribe for more crystal meditation tips and holistic wellness practices. Remember, the journey to inner peace begins with a single breath. Thank you for joining me today, and may the soothing energy of amethyst guide you on your path to mindfulness.